Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to talk about energy conversion. Okay, and first of all we need to know what is energy. And energy is everything that is around us and cannot be created and destroyed, only can be transformed. Okay, what is energy conversion? An energy transformation is the change of energy from one form to another. Energy transformations occur everywhere, every second of the day. There are many different forms of energy, such as electrical, thermal, nuclear, mechanical, electromagnetic, sound, and chemical. Because the law of conservation of energy states that energy is always conserved in the universe and simply change from one form to another, many energy transformations are taking place constantly. Okay, so that is energy conversion, like a transform the energy from one form to another form. We never, guys, can change the type of energy. Okay, here we have examples of energy transformations. We have, for example, a toaster transforms electrical energy into thermal energy. A blender transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy. The sun transforms nuclear energy into ultraviolet, infrared, or gamma energy, all forms of the electromagnetic energy, and so on. For example, here in the picture, we have like a chemical energy transformed into light. Okay, so the energy in the batteries transforming into light energy. Here, another chemical energy like the gasoline transforming mechanical energy where the cars moves. Chemical energy like the food that we eat transform mechanical energy, giving us energy to move and do different activities like cycling. Electrical energy as well can change into light energy. Electrical energy can change into heat, and light energy, like the sun, can change into chemical energy. So, in resume, energy conversion is to change any kind of energy to other form of energy. Never, never can we destroy the energy, so only we can transform. Okay, so that is energy conversion. Guys, thank you very much.